Hey, in this video I want to show you how I created a very highly converting one-time offer. So this is the one-time offer for my product Rapid Traffic Activation, and it converted really well. It's one of the best one-time offers I had. Basically, Rapid Traffic Activation is a product that talks about a very cheap traffic generation method. And now once someone buys this product, the person gets redirected right away to this one-time offer. So I have something like where you will see this offer just once, you will get your membership area in a minute, and then I have a big headline with the benefit: see our exact campaign that generated 5,000 unique visits and 400 subscribers in only 30 minutes. Then you also have an all play video of me and just talking, and then I have add to cart button. Then I have some more benefits, some couple of headlines, a bit of copy, what I actually offer here, guarantee, special discount, and I offer it for $27. And now this one-time offer converted at 40% in average. So so each of the client, no matter if it was an affiliate sale or no affiliate sale, I made $27 for 40% of my clients. So that's additional $11 per client, and the front-end offer was $9.90. So I actually made more money from one-time offer than from the front-end offer. So that's pretty interesting, and that's why sales funnels are so important. And now I'm going to break it down to a couple of elements I think that helped in the conversions. The first thing is definitely a big headline, an announcement that is a one-time offer. And there's nothing, all play video seems to convert much better, as it's a one-time offer is an input sale, so you really need to get their attention very quickly and just tell, okay, this is the benefit, this is the benefit, this is the benefit, there's no risk on your part, click add to cart button. And the basic script I use for this video is first I just tell them that I appreciate what they did, and as a valuable customer I have a special deal for them for a very low price. It's going to increase very soon, so there's some scarcity also, and there's also a guarantee, so there's no risk on their part. And also this additional thing that helped in it is that this package is a campaign that is basically is using the same system that I show in this training, but it's actually a ready campaign. You can just copy and paste the keywords, the capture page, follow-up messages, everything. You just in just 30 minutes you are set up to basically duplicate the results we got from this method. And basically one-time offer seems to work really well if you just have some add-on, something that saves time more with the method that you share in the front-end offer. So anything all done for you, all done for your campaigns, ready-made campaigns, ready-made templates, seems to be really good one-time offers that really complement your front-end offer. They just save the person more time, or make more money, or just save some frustration the person could have. And that's why it converted really well. So definitely your product itself is the main indicator of your conversions, but you can help it out with the video, with nice copy. You see here I have some save time with tested campaign, so there's save time, no risk, no skills required, all that for your campaign, generate this amount of visits. It's only $47, but there's a discount. You can also try for 60 days, and there's money back guarantees. So all these elements have definitely helped out in conversion. And really, if you have a good one-time offer, you can actually double your profits in your WSO or any product you have. So your sales funnel should be you should really optimize your sales funnel. You should test different upsells or different copy for your upsells, and make sure it converts really well, because you may lose a lot of money if you don't have a good converting one-time offer. So that's just a basic breakthrough what I did to get the 40% conversions for this upsell, and do it yourself and you'll see. If you don't do upsell, you should really do that, because you're losing a lot of money if you're not doing upsells. But make sure your product is quality, that you charge more, but you should provide more value. You see, I prefer to charge more than at least $27, $37, not like $9, $20 or $17. Because what I find out is that you can actually make much more with the higher price upsell, like 2 or 3 times of your front end offer, even 4 times. Because even though the conversion will be lower, you will still make the more profit per customer, so the rate will be higher. So that's why it's more profitable actually to come up with a bit better upsell offer and charge more. So that'll be it. Thank you for watching.